Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simonemonique. In this video, I'm just showing you how I do my face routine, like everything I do to my face and what products I use. So if you guys want to see how I do that, just keep on watching.
I wanna make it good for you, 'cause you blow my mind. I promise, boy, that I'll be true. You're the perfect fine, so tell me if you want me to. Yeah, if you thought I'd sleep on this, boy, you're wrong, 'cause all
So right here, I'm using a Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, and I use 2 of these. And yeah, that usually gets all the makeup off my face. And so yeah, I'm just keep wiping my face. And the way I take off my eyelashes, like you have to use the wipe on your eyelid and wipe it off. Like before, I would just rip the eyelashes off. Yeah, my fake eyelashes. I would just rip them off. Like I didn't care, just rip them off. But now I just use the makeup wipe to remove them, because I use a lot of glue right here. Like I use a lot. That's why I decided to use the wipes, because yeah, I need to. And right here, I'm just opening up my pores. I used a really, really burning hot towel to open up my pores. I do this like 3 times. So now I'm using my blackhead remover. And y'all, I got this off Amazon. You have to be careful with this. Like, you have to be careful. Like, you will bruise up your face. Like, you see, I'm holding my skin taut. And I'm going up. You have to go up with it, or you can go down. But you gotta make sure you're holding your skin taut. Like, very taut. Because you're not bruises like I did. I had bruises. So, yeah. And now I'm using my MURAD Prebiotic 4-in-1 MultiCleanser. And y'all, this stuff is really good. Like, I like it. Like, I just ordered this from Sephora, and y'all, the stuff is high. The stuff in this video is high, so I'm telling you right now, it's high. It's expensive. And everything in this video I buy with my own money. Like, it's not sponsored. Everything I buy is by me. So yeah, this is a real review. So yeah. And then right here, I'm done playing my face, and look at that nasty hair. Ew. Like, ew. Around my sideburns, I'm like so hairy. It's just, ugh. And now I'm doing my forehead. Like, y'all, like, I like doing it. It's so satisfying watching somebody shave their face. Like, I like it. Watching the hair go down, like, I like it. So yeah, so this video is about my MURAD products I bought from Sephora. It's like 5 steps to it. And it's the hydration system. So yeah, so this is step 2, the MURAD Exfoliating Cleanser. And I use my Vanity Planet Spa cleansing brush. Like, I use this brush all the time. Like, I always use this brush when I'm washing my face and stuff. So yeah, and yeah, I got this from Sephora, and cause I got little samples when I have buy makeup from Sephora. I get the little samples from MURAD. I really like it, so I decided to buy the real thing. And y'all, it's real expensive, so yeah. But it does work though. I've been using it for about probably 2 weeks. Like, y'all, I like it. It makes my face feel so soft and smooth. Like, y'all don't even know. Like, y'all about to see, like, my skin looks so good, even though I like look right here. Like, it looks so good. Like, oh my gosh. Like, it's so shiny like a newborn baby. Like, y'all, looks really good, and it's thanks to these products. And I'm not even done yet. And now I'm using the MURAD night cream treatment. Y'all, when you wake up, your face is gonna look so fabulous in the morning. Like, it looks good. And you gotta make sure you get your neck too. Any kind of product you use, you gotta make sure you get your neck too, because that's when you start, the age shows in your neck first. So yeah. And then sometimes when I go out, I use the MURAD individual blur perfecting shield. It's like a it blurs, primes, and protects. It's like a sunscreen. So yeah, that's the last step I use when I go out. I don't use it at nighttime though. Then I'm using my my lip mask. I got this from Sephora too. And you guys see how my face looks. Like, look, it looks so nice and glorious. It looks good. Like, these products work. This video is not sponsored, like I'm saying, but y'all, this stuff works. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on using. I'm gonna keep doing updates about my face, because right now it's But these products make it look much better. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. If you like videos like this, just thumbs up, and I'll know if you like it, and I'll keep making videos. I love you guys so much. Bye.